Hi guys, welcome again to my page, and here's another Canva tips that you could use to help you save time. For today, we will be looking at the bulk feature of Canva. This feature is very helpful, especially if you're doing a planner like what I'm doing now. So instead of manually typing out all the months, just use the bulk feature. So if this is how you do your planner, like the monthly one, just copy the template and then manually change the months from the previous month to whichever month, like in this case, February. If this is how you do it, there's a better way. So from the more, click on the bulk, enter data manually. I don't need that column, so I'll delete that one. And then from the name, change the name to months, because that's what I need. And then from here on, just type in the months as usual. February 2023. I don't need comma. There you go. Once you've done with your months, typing out your months, just click done. And then you've got your data months, but it's not highlighted. So what you could do is right click on the text that you want to change, connect data. I don't know what's happening. There you go, months. And then now it's been chosen, it's ticked. And then click continue. Because this is 12 months in a year, you need all these months. We already had the January, so just generate 11 pages. And then voila, you've got all your months. I think I made a mistake. I should have included January in my data, but that's fine. You just need to adjust the spacing so they're not obscuring the rest of your page. And then just edit your dates. But yeah, thank you so much again for watching, and please like and follow for more Canva tips and tricks.